10 mind-blowing science facts you never knew. Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be sharing 10 mind-blowing science facts that you probably never knew. Science is a vast and endlessly fascinating subject, and there's always something new to discover. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most incredible facts from the world of science. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. Fact 1. Did you know that the tallest mammal in the world is the giraffe? These majestic creatures can grow up to 18 feet tall, which is taller than a two-story building. And they do it all on legs that are longer than most humans are tall. Fact 2. The human brain is an incredible machine, and it's full of connections. In fact, it's estimated that there are more connections in the human brain than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. That's a lot of connections. Fact 3. The deadliest animal in the world might surprise you. It's not the crocodile, or the shark, or even the lion. It's the mosquito. These tiny insects kill more than 700,000 people each year by spreading diseases such as malaria, dengue, and Zika. Fact 4. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and it's estimated that there are around 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. That means that there could be as many as 100 billion galaxies out there, each with billions of stars and planets of their own. Fact 5. Water covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, but did you know that 97% of it is salt water and the remaining 3% is fresh water? And out of that 3%, only 1% is available for human consumption. Fact 6. The human body is a complex machine, and one of the most fascinating things about it is the way it heals itself. Did you know that the human body can repair a broken bone in about 6 to 8 weeks, and new skin will grow in just a few days? Fact 7. The human body is also home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. Did you know that the average person has more bacterial cells in their body than human cells? In fact, it's estimated that there are around 10 times more bacterial cells in the human body than human cells. Fact 8. Did you know that the average person will spend around 6 years of their life dreaming? That's a lot of time spent in the land of none. And while we're asleep, our brains are hard at work, sorting through the events of the day and consolidating our memories. Fact 9. The Earth's magnetic field is a powerful force that protects us from harmful solar radiation. But did you know that the Earth's magnetic field is actually weakening? It's estimated that the field has lost around 15% of its strength over the last 150 years. Fact 10. And finally, did you know that the Earth isn't a perfect sphere? It's actually an oblate spheroid, meaning that it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This is due to the Earth's rotation and the centrifugal force it creates. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed these 10 mind-blowing science facts. Science is an endlessly fascinating subject, and there's always something new to discover. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing facts and information.